Hi everybody. All right, so we have positive and negative intervals for this exercise, and what you want to see is that we have to select the interval where g of x is greater than 0. So that means, remember, g of x is the same thing as stating y, so we want to know where our y values are greater than 0. So we want to know where they are up here above the x-axis. So here are our choices for our intervals, A, B, and C. So for A, we look at our interval from -5, which is less than x, which is less than -4. So -5 to 4. Now we notice that our portion of our graph is below the x-axis. So here, g of x is less than 0, not greater than 0, so cannot be A. Our next choice, B, -2 less than x less than -1, so -2 and -1, we see that our portion of that graph, that interval where that graph is greater than 0. So this does satisfy our question, but let's just check letter C. So far B is our answer. C, we're asking for 4 to 5. 4, which is less than x, less than 5. So we notice that our graph is below the x-axis, so we have a negative interval there. So it is not greater than 0, so it cannot be our answer. So B is correct. Okay, there we go. Next question, I'll do one more for you. So here we want to select an interval where f is negative. So since f is negative, we want something below the x-axis. So let's check our intervals out here. Again, below x-axis. That's where f would be negative. So for A, we have from -4 to -2, -4 to -2, and we see that part of the interval is below the x-axis. So far we know A is correct. Let's just double check our others. -1 to 1, -1 to 1 is above, slightly above the x-axis, but it's still above the x-axis, so it is positive, not negative. Okay, so there we have there, so it cannot be B. And C is from 2 to 4. And we notice that our portion of that graph is above the x-axis, which is positive, not negative, so it cannot be C, so A is correct. There we go. Any questions, guys? Please don't hesitate to ask, and have a great day.